The city, a relentless churn of concrete and commerce, held within its heart a quiet rebellion, the Link House. It wasn't just a dwelling, it was a defiant statement on a limited canvas, a 22,000 square foot monument to a family's complex, intergenerational life. The client, a man whose entrepreneurial spirit was only matched by his command of the real estate world, hadn't asked for a house. He had asked for a riddle. His challenge was deceptively simple: 2 independent homes, one for him, one for his son, and a separate outhouse, all to be squeezed onto a plot that seemed to scold such ambition. Most architects would have capitulated, layering box upon box. But the team at Openideas saw not limitation, but a blueprint for a spatial drama, an opportunity to build a literal and figurative bridge between 2 distinct lives. Their solution was a graceful sleight of hand to elevate and link. They proposed 2 separate blocks, one for the patriarch and one for the heir, but instead of allowing them to stand as estranged monoliths, they connected them high above the ground with a pulsating artery of shared living space. This act minimized the house's footprint on the earth, transforming the limited plot into a tapestry of open space. The result was a ground level liberated. In the space that would have been consumed by a single massive structure, the architects carved out various green pockets, sun-drenched sunken courts, and vast, welcoming green lawns. The house didn't just sit on the land, it rose from it, leaving sanctuaries of nature at its base. And so, the journey began not with a door, but with an invitation, a dynamic bridge flowing over cool, reflective water bodies and vibrant greens. It was a path that demanded attention, a sculptural ribbon of steel and stone that seemed to float. As one ascended, the anticipation became a palpable thing, an aura of mystery and delight carefully curated with every subtle incline and curve. Each step taken was a step into the unexpected, the bridge setting the stage for the extraordinary experiences and views that lay just beyond its summit. It was a conscious transition, a filtering mechanism that shed the outside world and prepared the mind for the architectural narrative that was about to unfold. Ascending this flowing ramp, the true genius of the segregation was revealed. The meticulously planned spaces unfolded, ingeniously catering to the distinct needs of father and son while ensuring that their paths constantly intersected. The destination of the ascent was aptly named the dynamic entertainment space. This upper-level nexus was the grace note, the point where the two distinct houses of father and son were physically and symbolically bridged. It wasn't a hallway. It was a destination that spilled out dramatically into the pool area with stepped garden pockets, an elevated oasis that commanded a view over the lush green lawns far below. This communal space, more than just a pool deck, became the family's focal point, a gathering spot where the generations could shed their business armor and simply revel in the warmth of each other's company. A place for spontaneous connection and shared sunlight. Back on the earth, the parents' abode claimed its rightful place, gracefully cradled beneath the spanning bridge. Its entrance at the ground level offered a different kind of welcome, one of tranquility and profound security, a private sanctuary away from the effervescent energy of the link above. Simultaneously, the adjacent block housing the son's home connected to the father's realm at both the upper entertaining level and the private, sheltered ground level. This careful linking had also masterfully scooped out space, forming one of the key sunken courts at the ground level, a sheltered, intimate hub perfect for close-knit family gatherings. This court, a carved-out pocket of privacy, then opened up directly onto the vast verdant lawns, creating a succession of layered, different pockets and experiences, moving seamlessly from the cloistered to the expansive. For moments of deep serenity, the house plunged downward. At the basement level, a subterranean haven of relaxation awaited. It boasted a home theater and a spa that redefined calmness, pierced by a skylight that drew a shaft of sun-drenched blue into the cool depths, extending into a soothing blue water body and green planting that pierced through the concrete. The interior design mirrored this duality. It was a testament to luxury, decorated with the finest Italian marble and warm wood, reflecting an exquisite taste for elegance. Large, strategic openings ensured that natural light seamlessly merged the sophisticated indoors with the picturesque outdoors, every room a canvas blending contemporary aesthetics with a timeless grace. Yet, the tone shifted between the two blocks. For the parents, the interiors were refined, subtle, governed by shades of gray and a mature elegance. For the son, the space was unapologetically modern, contemporary, and distinctly playful. In every aspect, the Link House was a thoughtful and audacious design, a place where the demands of luxury met the ingenuity of functionality, where surprise greeted at every turn, and where the act of simply coming home was, every day, an experience in itself. And there you have it, the Link House. It's more than just 22,000 square feet of exquisite marble and glass. It's an architectural dialogue. It shows us how a brilliant design can solve a family's biggest challenge, not just to house two separate lives, but to beautifully connect them. From the floating bridge that welcomes you, to the elevated pool deck that literally links father and son, this home is a masterclass in weaving privacy with community. It's proof that you don't have to choose between luxury and intimacy, or between honoring tradition and embracing the future. What was your favorite feature? Was it the serene sunken courts, the playful modern interiors, or perhaps the spa tucked away beneath a shaft of skylight? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts. If you enjoyed this tour of a home that truly bridges the generations, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into extraordinary architecture. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss our next feature. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.